But there's someone docked on Hondo's landing pad. And it's Hondo's area. Reserved for Hondo Onaka, president of Onaka Transport Solutions.
Si quieres, al final.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Well, no, the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, bye-bye.
All right, head on inside, everyone.
Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
For your safety, remain seated and unsupervised younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
I'll leave it. Oh, Daddy. Backpacks are gonna go on the porch or click the things that flash and try your best not to crash.
Yes, flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity coaxium. You see, Just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Well, it's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. He's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be rough. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
That was like very, I'm sorry.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray... All right,
Okay,
I'm
like
making
you're-
an executive
Come on out,
decision.
don't forget your card.
Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs